Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, follow me to learn how to write the Chinese characters 左 and 右. 左 左 it means left or wrong. 左 in cursive, you can write it like this. 左 and 右 in printing script. 口 右 it means right hand or the right in politicals. You can write it in cursive like this. 右 see the differences? Okay, here comes a Chinese 4-character idiom. 左右 男左女右 男左女右 men and women. Why? Men to the left because women are always right. 男左女右男左女右 men to the left because women are always right. Another example, 左右为难左右为难左右为难 means in a dilemma. For example, 去也不好，不去也不好，真让我左右为难。It is a problem if I go, but also a problem if I don't. I'm in a real dilemma. 左右为难，男左女右，左 left, wrong, 右 right, the right. 男左女右，左右为难。Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.